came up and felt that this has become an issue, especially around the Mano River area of the sub-region. And so they felt it's high time they did something to sensitize the population on this issue, on this challenge that's facing us.
Addicted to drug use, and we can say that it is the right moment to put emphasis on the fact that we should make everything possible to fight against the use of these drugs in our various communities, which can mitigate the violences in our various communities. The regional approach, because one country cannot fight against this problem knowing that these drugs cross the various borders either by land, air or by sea. So it is important to also reinforce the cooperation among countries because we particularly have some problems with Sierra Leone, knowing that most of the drugs come from that border. Reason why we will encourage working together hand in hand in order to fight against the transportation of these drugs across our borders. And beyond that, we should also think of putting in place a regional legislation that can also regulate the transportation of these drugs across the borders of our region.